हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोर। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ नायका हॉल शेयर करने वाली हूँ। आई हैव ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स राइट हियर इन माय नायका बैग। नाउ आई डिड गो टू द नायका स्टोर, picked up from some stuff from there, and then I ordered a lot of stuff online. Now this is mainly skincare and hair care. Makeup I've done a lot of damage in the makeup category also. I will do a separate makeup haul, and as part of hot pink sale I have done a lot of damage to my wallet. Like, I've spent a lot and I've ordered a lot, and I have literally stocked up till November, because November is when the next I don't know if it's called hot pink sale or whatever, but the next major Nykaa sale is going to happen. That's in November. So before November, I just wanted to stock up on my hair care and skincare and some makeup. So yeah, let's begin with the haul. I am pretty sure that Nykaa hot pink sale is almost over. So I'll just say that, you use this video as a reference for the next sale that comes into Nykaa, and only when you have like prices going down on these products that I'm sharing, then only place your order. Let's start off with the hair care first. Now, the first product that I have is from Schwarzkopf, and this one is their Taft Power 5 Mousse, and this one has a nice hold on the hair. So if you are someone who has curls or waves and you want to make them more textured, you want to make them more curlier, make them more hold the curls tighter, then you want to use something like this. I have tested and tried this on both the days, like on my shampoo day as well as on the day where I wanted to refresh my curls, and on both the days this worked really well. Now it does leave my hair very crunchy, so I do need like a hair oil or like a drop of hair serum to just kind of like scrunch that cast away, that kind of like moussey gel cast that gets formed, making the hair very crunchy and kadak. You do want to use like a hair oil or just a couple of drop of leave-on or hair serum, and then you need to break that cast. But overall, I love this product, and I definitely feel that I see a lot of difference in the way my curl gets, like the curl pattern that gets formed. So I really am enjoying this mousse. Now I purchased one more mousse which I did not need, but I still kind of went ahead and got it. Again from Schwarzkopf Professional. This is Oasis Plus. This is volume plus body, volume and density grip, and it has a grip of 4. This is how the product looks like. First of all, I love the color combination on this one. It looks super girly, and that was the reason I got confused whether I should go with this one or that one. Then I ended up with both. I am someone who uses mousse on every refresh and every hair wash, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to use and finish it off. And Oasis range is specifically meant for curls, so this gives really good results as well. Now this is more volumizing than hold, so I use this more near my roots area, and on my length area I prefer the other mousse. So basically these days I'm literally styling with these two mousses, and I'm like done. Like, I don't need gel also. I'm really done with these two alone. But of course, if you want a good hold and you trust gels more, you can still go ahead and of course use like a flax gel on your curls. Talking about gels, I did buy myself a Bare Anatomy hair gel. Now Bare Anatomy is sulfate free, paraben free and derma tested, and this is the curl defining gel that they have. I totally ripped off the packaging. I totally ripped off the packaging, and I even poked this in my eye, so now it's like irritating. But yeah, this is the curl defining gel that I have. I like this. It does not have a very strong hold, which I usually prefer for my curls. So on refresh days this works really well, but on my hair wash day I want my curls to be more tighter, so it did not work really well on the hair wash day, but on the refresh days it did really work well. This says that it has curl retention for 48 hours. I don't agree to it. And then 2x frizz control for 48 hours. Yeah, it does help in frizz control. 74% improved hydration. Yes, it does keep my hair hydrated. So this has coconut oil, hyaluronic acid and castor oil, and this is 140 ml product. So overall I like the way this product is done. Usually don't use it on my on the main shampoo days, but I use it for refresh, and it has a good smell to it. Like, I love the fragrance that this one has, and it does help in taming the frizz off. So my hair looks less frizzy, so I like that fact. I still have some curl pattern going on, as you see here. Not very good curls. Like, I did not refresh my curls today, so yeah, it's all right. But it does kind of, it instantly gives a good result. But yeah, you see, it instantly gives like a good situation, like it kind of controls the frizz immediately, and I'm using this without any water on my hair, so kind of like liking the result. It has a nice fragrance to it, kind of like a earthy aloe vera basil, kind of a nice herbal fragrance to it. So that was about hair care. Now let's move on to some skincare. Got a ton of face lotions and moisturizers because my skin is not doing very well. This one is from Conscious Chemist, and this one is Calm, sorry. This one is Calm, and this one is 10% azelaic acid. It gives redness relief, and it's a gel cream, and it just helps in rescuing, recovering the damage. This is for sensitive skin. Can you see the kind of dent that I've started giving on this one? I'm using this in the daytime as well as nighttime, and it's just working so well on my skin. Like, it immediately takes care of the redness and the puffiness that I'm getting with all the breakouts on my skin. It really is working wonders on my skin, and I am definitely going to, in the next sale, I am definitely getting a backup of this one. Another product from Conscious Chemist, and this one is Trubium Pigmentation Corrector Cream. This is how the cream looks like. Kind of matches my dress outfit today. I love this color these days. This has niacinamide, tranexamic acid, kojic acid, and azelaic acid. All kind of acids. But anyways, this is a pigment correction cream. Now again, because of several breakouts and this comedogenic acne situation going on currently, I am getting a lot of spotting on my face. Currently, I've used a concealer, so you may not be able to see most of it. But I have a lot of it going on underneath my makeup. So I'm using this one. Till now, not seeing much difference. Pigmentation takes a lot of time, a lot of consistency. I do like how this cream is. Like, it's like this gel cream which is very lightweight on the face. I don't like creams which are very thick in nature, so the consistency is amazing, that gel cream consistency, which I absolutely love. So overall, I'm liking this product, but I'm not seeing any results so far. The next product is from Minimalist, and this one is B12 Repair Complex 5.5% face moisturizer with vitamin B12, ceramides, and betaine. This is how the outer packaging is, and this is how the actual cream looks like. It's so white. My camera is not going to catch this one at all. Like, I'll still try. Let me try. Yeah, this is what it is. Nice. Okay, now this is very interesting. Okay, very interesting. It is pink. It's a pink cream. How cute. This is a pink cream. I am so amazed. I don't know what is making it pink, but yeah, I got very excited with a pink color skincare. It's just silly, but yeah, has no fragrance to it, and it's a great moisturizer. So I am kind of layering these three products together at night. I don't know if it's the right thing to do. I'm not a skincare expert. I test and try, and if it works, if it breaks me out, I'll stop experimenting with that combination. But so far, I am layering these three, and the results are good. So kind of like liking the way my skin is getting better and it's healing. So these three are working well together on my skin as a combination of skincare for AM, PM both. Then I got one more moisturizer, because why not? This is from Aqualogica, and this is Illuminate Oil-Free Moisturizer with wild berries and alpha arbutin, which is luminous and hydrating. So this is the outer packaging of it. Looks very nice. I love the color combination, the vibrant purple and pink color that this bottle has. Okay, let's be honest. I only got this because I love the packaging. Okay, I'm a sucker for good packaging. I found it super cute, and the moment I saw it, I was like, this looks so nice on my vanity. This is very cute. Again, this pink and purple color, I love. This is the consistency. Again, that creamy gel wala formula which just gets absorbed. No white cast whatsoever, and just leaves your skin looking very hydrated and looking very luminous and very, glow from within, healthy from within kind of situation. Loving this moisturizer. Currently, I'm not using it every single day because like I showed you the three creams earlier. I'm using those three currently. So मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा moisturizer तो नहीं लगाना है. So I'm just keeping this as a backup. इनमें से जब एक खत्म हो जाएगा तब मैं इसको यूज करना स्टार्ट कर दूंगी. Then I got a free product from Conscious Chemist. This is Sun Drink Hybrid Gel Non-Greasy Sunscreen, SPF 50 PA++++, broad spectrum, UVA, UVB, ceramide complex, and all of that. I just hope my camera focuses, but this is what the cream looks like. Again, that same gel creamy consistency, doesn't leave any white cast, works really well. So I'm like kind of using this during daytime after my AM skincare is done with. So and I may actually go and purchase like a bigger bottle of this because it's not breaking me out, so I like the formula. Then some essentials. We all need this. So from Tulips I have the earbuds, nothing fancy about it. From Tulips again, I have the cotton pads. Very basic, but every girl needs it. Then a freebie from Minimalist, a miniature of the cream that I already bought. I was expecting them to send me some other sample. Hey, you're already purchasing this product, I'll send you something else, but they decided that no, you need more of this product only. So they've sent this additional sample. So I will travel with this and I will keep this at home. So yeah, that was everything that I got for skincare and hair care. I did purchase 2 body washes also from Nykaa, from their Wanderlust, but I've given that to a friend. So that was everything that I got, skincare and hair care. Right, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.